In the world of online trading, it feels like there is no end to the advice. Countless videos, articles, and forums all claim to teach you the secrets of successful trading. Many gurus display their charts, draw lines, and claim to know exactly where price will move. But here is the truth. Many of them don't even know how to properly set levels. If you want to succeed as a trader, you must understand how to build levels accurately. It's not just a basic skill. It's a foundational tool that helps you read the market clearly and make informed decisions. Before we get into the main points, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the most valuable trading tips. And get excited because soon we are launching a trading school to help you level up your skills and trade with confidence. Levels aren't just random lines on a chart. They are crucial areas that are visible to everyone in the market, from small-time traders to major institutional players. Levels act as psychological and decision-making zones where large orders are placed, price often reacts, and market participants make crucial moves. Understanding how to set these levels with accuracy is what separates real traders from amateurs. Here are the top 3 rules to follow to build effective levels. If you can't build correct levels, you are not a trader, you are just a scammer. Precision is essential in trading. Drawing random lines without a solid understanding doesn't make you a skilled trader. It makes you unreliable from the first glance. Proper level setting requires clear technique, a critical eye, and practice. Inaccurate levels create a false sense of structure and often lead to poor decisions. So if you are serious about trading, take the time to learn this skill in detail. It's non-negotiable if you want to be taken seriously. So, the 3 key signs of the level. Identifying a true level requires recognizing certain patterns. Here are the top 3 characteristics of a strong, meaningful level on the chart. First, multiple clear touch points. A reliable level will show repeated touch points where the price moves to the level and reacts, confirming it as a significant area. The more frequent these touches, the stronger the level becomes. Second rule, many candle wicks around the level. Wicks or shadows on candles around the level are significant because they indicate failed attempts by price to break through. Each time a candle touches and then pulls back, it signifies the activation of limit orders as well as position closures by numerous participants. This pushback creates wicks, marking strong reaction at that level. The more wicks that appear in a certain area, the more confirmation you have of this strength and importance. The last important rule, increasing volume around the level. As price approaches a level, you often see volume increase. This is because levels attract mass decision making. Large players and institutions place significant orders at these points, leading to a spike in volume. Higher volume around a level confirms it as a critical zone, as it shows that major market participants are active there. If a level doesn't meet these 3 criteria, consider re-evaluating its importance. Real levels give you insights into market psychology, helping you understand where price is likely to react. It's very important. Make levels clear and avoid overloading your workspace. The levels you draw should be clear and obvious. If you are the only one who can see a level, it's probably not a true level.
What the fuck?
Strong levels stand out on the chart. They are visible to anyone analyzing that asset. And the clearer the level, the stronger it is. Avoid cluttering your chart with unnecessary lines. Instead, focus on the main levels. daily and hourly, and finally limit yourself to 1 or 2 levels on the 15 minutes chart for short-term insights. Having too many levels can hinder your analysis, making it hard to see where the key action will likely happen. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Don't miss out on our upcoming series on advanced trading techniques, as well as the launch of our new trading school. Now it's time to conclude. Setting levels in trading isn't a minor skill, it's an essential tool that lets you see where real decisions are made. Drawing lines at random might make your chart look busy, but won't help you trade better. When you take the time to understand levels as psychological and strategic zones, they become powerful tools for reading the market's intentions. Remember again, a true level isn't just something you see, it's something the entire market reacts to. The clearer and stronger the level, the more impact it has on price action. So stick to these rules, build your levels with precision, and keep your charts clean to improve your trading decisions. See you soon!